Strategy 2.14 is tracking progress on a stamina chart. And this is the chart. Oh, I hope it's not backwards. I'll look at the video. If it's backwards, I'll post a picture of it so you can see it better. But this is the time, so it's how long you read. This is the date of when you read, and this is how engaged you felt you were on a scale of 1 to 4. And so basically this strategy is encouraging students to be mindful and engaged in their reading. And so this chart basically tracks every day what your reading engagement level was, and getting kids to think about how their reading is going to go that day, whether they feel like they're going to be distracted or whether they feel like it's going to go smoothly. Honestly, comparing their chart day to day is important, not comparing it to other students like, oh, so-and-so did this much, so you should be here, but comparing it as a personal growth thing. And the strategy talks about not like using it as like reading shouldn't be like muscle building and like push through where like I have to get through this because I want to build my new goal up, but really working on enjoying the reading and getting through it, and keeping track of that on the chart.